Hi everybody, this is Tube. I got another exciting video tutorial on Excel. Today I want to show you how to concatenate two cells or even more cells, up to you to decide. But let's go ahead without any further ado. So you select this cell and you want to concatenate these two, first name and the surname. The simplest way to do it, I'm going to show you different ways, but the simplest way is to just select the first cell, then put and sign, then double quote, then space, double quote, then and sign, and then select the second cell and then press enter. So Michael Tom is now concatenated. Now let's show you another way to do the same thing, which is using the function concatenate. Not this one, concatenate this one, and then we select the first cell, then we press a comma, and then we need a space, so we put a double quote, space, comma, and then we go with the second cell and then close the parentheses and then enter, same result. And the third way to do is to use concatenate, so press equal and then type in con, and then you see concat, then press tab, and now we can select a range instead of commas, which makes life easier sometimes, and then press the double close the parentheses, press enter. But you can see there is no gap in between. There is one way to fix that, that's by cutting this and pasting it on the third column, or in this column. Since we select all the three columns, you can see, but the gap is still not there. To fix that, select the cell in the middle and press on your space bar once and then press enter, and you can see the shift now start working. Now if you have multiple columns that we want to apply the same technique, then you could use any one of these equations that I set up and just drag it like that. Then it will concatenate the two columns together automatically. It's as easy as that, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If it was useful, please don't forget to share and subscribe, and don't forget to watch my other tutorials on Excel. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.